guys, Codemaster here, back with another video. Today we are going to be doing another Scratch tutorial. Today we are going to be doing Pong on Scratch. So the first thing you want to do is just go ahead and, sorry about that, guys, delete this original sprite, and you're going to want to just paint a new sprite right there. So then you're going to want to create a circle about that size. That's good. So it can be a big one. And then we're going to create another one with a rectangle in the middle of the screen. It's about like that. And then you're going to want to put that over here. And then since this is going to be, we're going to actually just duplicate that sprite. Delete this one. Then we're going to want to rename this sprite. Then you're going to want to click info, rename this ball. Go back. Then you're going to info, rename this one player paddle. You're going to want to rename this one AI paddle. Okay, so once you have that, you're going to want to go into the ball, and you're going to want to go to events. When the flag clicked, you're going to want to click a go to X0, Y0. So that when it's clicked, then you're going to want to wait 3 seconds, and then repeat until, and we'll just make a data, losing, missing, and repeat until losing is equal to true. So then the first thing you're going to want to set before the wait 3 is set losing to false. Then what you're going to want to do is go to the player panel, and you're going to want to go to events. When flag clicked, go to X, Y. First you're going to want to change Y to 0 and X to about -200. Okay, and then you're going to want to go to this one, and you're going to want to go to events. When flag clicked, then X positive 225, Y 0. Now that everything's in the position to start, so that we can start, first we're going to do the paddle. So events, forever, set X to and you're going to want to find the not that one, mouse X, sorry, I blanked there. So, oh crud, that is me being not very smart. You're actually going to want to set y to, and you're going to want to go to sensing, mouse y. So now you have the working paddle right there. Now you're going to want to go back to the ball. You're going to just want to go repeat until losing true. You're going to want to just keep moving 10 steps, and then if on edge, bounce. Actually, we're going to do an if-else block. If touching player paddle, else move. Okay, so the next thing we're going to actually want to do, because I forgot to do this in the first place, so what you're actually want to do is you're going to just make a variable called choose_degree_turn, and then you're going to want to, instead of here, you're going to want to set this to pick random 1 to 2. Then you're going to want to add an if-else block right there. And you're going to want to, if this is equal to, actually you're going to want to get that equal. Then you're going to want to go to data. choose_degree_turn is equal to 1. You're going to want to so you're going to then what you're going to want to do is you're going to duplicate the program, just kind of put it right there. So now when the game starts, it says waits 3 seconds and then it keeps, oh crud. You're going to want to actually motion, going to want to move 20 steps so that it moves 20 steps before it starts so that it doesn't redo the program. So, sorry about that. I didn't think about that. So it's going to wait 3 seconds. It's going to move up. And there, we already have a sort of Pong game. So that's really cool. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to the AI paddle and then control forever, and then we're just going to want to do if-else block, if the exposition of AI paddle, you want to get to the is less than, but you're actually going to want to change this to the ball. It's going to be the Y position is less than 200, because you can see down here, sorry about that. It's down here, so the highest Y position, it's down there, is 180, less than 180. I'm going to want to point in direction down 180, and then you're going to just want to move 10 steps. So it's going to be okay. I just thought about that. You see what happens right there, and then you're going to want to have another if block. You're going to want to duplicate that, put that there. You're going to want to right click on it and click greater than negative 180. You're going to want to duplicate that. You're going to want to point in direction up. And what we're actually going to do is we're going to go into the costumes. We're going to select this right here, and we're just going to rotate it like that. I'm going to want to point it in down that direction, so I'm just going to move it a little, see where the middle is. The middle is right there. Yep. Select everything there, and I'm just going to put it right in the middle, right there. So that's going to be good. So now you can see it's going to... Okay, so there's something wrong. Let me just fix that real quick, and I'll see what's wrong. Okay, guys, so I found the problem. What's really happening is that since the ball's X is going, when you reset it, it is at 0. What's happening is that it's offsetting because it's greater than 180, and 2, it's less than 180 and greater than negative 180. So what you want to do is you're going to want to grab an AND block from the operators, and you're going to want to copy that. You're going to want to set it to the thing is less than I'm trying to think. Since it's the negatives, it's less than -1, so that it doesn't offset again. You're going to want to get another AND stage, and then you're going to want to actually duplicate the same thing, set it to the other one, and set that to 1. And now you can put these blocks in there, and it should start working. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so something has happened. Oh yeah, we have to actually invert these so that wrong way. So this one, so the one with negative 180, you're gonna have to set to 180, and this one is 0. So now it should move with the ball. Okay, it's sort of working, but I'm going to look up a better version of doing this. Okay, so I kind of figured it out. It doesn't work as good as it used to. It's not normal Pong, but it's pretty easy to do. So what you're going to want to do is set the top one, and put it in an if-else block, and then put another if into the else part. And then you're just going to actually want to just change. So if it's the -1, you're going to want to change this number to 2. The positive one, you're going to change that to -2. And that sort of helps it out a little. It moves down at the start, but it might actually help if you just don't use the else block part of the block. So it's just gonna help out a little. See, it's sort of it's sort of easier to for you to win this. So you're going to want to make a variable player score. You're going to want to make another variable and call this the AI, or we'll just call this computer score. So now actually you want to have the computer score and the player score. So you want to put that, just want to double click it, that changes it. Just want to hold those over there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to actually create two new sprites. This one's just going to be, this one is just going to be an entire red. It's just going to be, there. You want to thin that out a little. And then you're going to stretch this out. Okay.